tell me what is hydraulic fracturing, if anyone have any idea.
So I would like to express something regarding the hydraulic fracturing, that it is basically a technology to frac your formation, and basically we do this job in the tight formations where the permeability is very low. So the connective
The hydraulic fracturing. So 2 parameters, half length and then fracture retained permeability.
Yeah, I have one question regarding
please.
the fracture permeability. How that can be estimated? I mean, on the right test, can you estimate that this is the fracture permeability? Because we are not having, like, we have worked on some of the wells, but we are not seeing that in our analysis. Can you please comment on that?
So on that one, basically what we can do from well test, we will not, it will not help you mainly on the, it can, like normally post frac what we recommend is PBU. So once we have the PBU data, we can do the matching and find out that what conductivity. So initially in the design we target 1 frac conductivity, and then we can see that if that conductivity is achieved or not by doing the matching, of that PBU data. Then we'll move on to the fluids and the proppants. What are the basic fluids, how we select it, and then what are the proppants that are available and how we basically incorporate them in our design. Finally, once we have the design, then there is a pumping sequence that we will discuss. In that we have one of the job that is known as DataFRAC or the mini frac, commonly in the industry. So we will cover that what are the usefulness of that DataFRAC, how we do the analysis, what parameters we find out from that data analysis, from that DataFRAC, and then how we incorporate it in our
conventional
thing.
So we are not focusing for the hydraulic frac.
Yeah, I agree to that point, but the point
we should focus on this.
So again, as we are discussing this is what I am saying, that it depends on the objective, it depends on the economics, because if you go to the specialized perforation that we want for hydraulic fracturing, economics and everything, like if you want to use it or not.
Is it costly in the conventional setup we have there?
It's not about the cost or design. For the already selected candidate well, any shortlisted well is designed before doing this. So the idea of this test, just for all of you to clarify you, that so basically the candidate selection, first step is the candidate selection. Once we have selected the candidate, we will go and do our design with whatever maximum data that we can get or what we have. Then to fine tune that design, we need to perform this mini frac treatment, which include these 3 steps: breakdown, step rate, and then calibration. This one we can design a treatment based on the sonic and the gamma ray. We will have the stress profile, but we will have the contrast as well. But how accurate is that data? That would be done based on the actual, breakdown pressure when we do the mini follow-off, the step rate test and the calibration test to fine tune that one.
So in the previous slide, there was a graph.
अगर स्टीक होगी तो वो हॉरिजॉन्टली प्रोपेगेट करेगा rather than going vertical.
नहीं, आपने उसको भी तो देखना है ना, आपने अपनी जॉब को प्लान भी तो करना है। डिज़ाइन बनाएंगे ना, आप देखेंगे कि आपने हॉरिजॉन्टली आपको अपने फ्रैक को प्रोपोगेट करना है या वर्टिकली प्रोपोगेट करना है। तो वो आपने अपनी विड्थ और आपने अपने फ्रैक की लेंथ जो है वो डिज़ाइन में ऑलरेडी डिसाइड करनी है। अच्छा, अब उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हम एक और काम भी करते हैं कि ये करते हैं कि हम जब लेट से, अब ये प्रैक्टिकल में